Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to answer the question whether Instagram still notifies when somebody takes a screenshot of my story. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. At the top of the screen you'll see that I have posted a story from my another account. So let's view it and take a screenshot of it right now. When I swipe down the notification bar, it shows a system notification that I have captured a screenshot. If I tap on that, the screenshot will open in the gallery. And there's no such notification from Instagram. Now let's switch the accounts and go to notification. And here you will see no such notification that a screenshot of my story has been taken. So we reach to the conclusion that Instagram does not notify when someone takes a screenshot of your story. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.